In this video, I'm going to share with you what Ravintsara Essential Oil is, how to use it. People often wonder, what does it smell like? How can I use Ravintsara? What are the health benefits? Are there emotional benefits? Also, can I drink it? Welcome to my channel. I'm Stacey Paulson. I am a health coach and essential oil educator and the mother of 6 amazing kids. And I am obsessed with helping women overcome their emotional and physical challenges so that they can live life fully. And I have found amazing benefits with essential oils. And if you want to learn more about them and how they work, you can subscribe and click the like and the bell notification. Some common usage tips are you can use Ravintsara in your bath. So using some Epsom salt and a few drops of Ravintsara, put it in the bath. It's great for opening your airways. It's very refreshing and cleansing. Also, it's amazing in a diffuser. So I have it diffusing right now, and I put it with spearmint and wild orange with my little Ravintsara. It smells like spring cleaning, but not the chemical cleaning, just fresh air, green clean. That's a fun one to use. And you can also just add a few drops in a spray bottle with some water and make sure that you shake it up. And I also like to put a pinch of salt or a little bit of witch hazel in there. It helps it to combine better. And you shake it up and you can spray the room. It can be a facial spray. It's also great for its cleansing benefits. So think if you have teenagers that might need that cleansing benefit for blemishes. So the aroma of Ravintsara Essential Oil can be described as a combination of camphor and eucalyptus, but it's greener. Both uplifting and energizing, it contains the chemical constituent eucalyptol. This is the property in eucalyptus oil that helps to support open airways and clear breathing. Then also Ravintsara is also relaxing. Adding a couple of drops of Ravintsara to an Epsom salt bath will help with calming the brain, calming those stressful feelings, those anxious feelings. And then I also like to diffuse it with lavender at night because it helps open the airways and it also is calming, but then it's super boosted by lavender, so super calming and is great for a restful night's sleep. It's also great combined with Copaiba essential oil, frankincense, lavender, peppermint, rose. I love it with tangerine or any of the citrus oils. That's why I'm diffusing it with wild orange right now. Vetiver is another great one, or wintergreen. So give that a try. Something else you might want to try with Ravintsara or any of the oils that you have is making inhaler blends. So these are amazing travel on the go diffusing options for you. There's a wick in there. You put the oils on before you create this, and then you can just breathe that in. I have how you can make these up in the cards, and then also down below I'll place a link. So if you want to make these, and I also have some great blends, you can add the Ravintsara in there for anything that's like the peppermint or the breathe, just switching them out. These are a really great option for diffusing. Before I get into the top 9 less known ways to use Ravintsara essential oil, I also wanted to share some fun facts. So Ravintsara essential oil is also in the Breathe blend. So the Breathe Touch, so that's the roller bottle, the Breathe oil, and then our vapor stick. So that's kind of like your Vicks vapor rub. It's sourced from Madagascar. It's originally from China, but it's sourced from Madagascar. And it's about 50% eucalyptol and 50% sabinin are the chemical constituents. So both of those are cleansing properties. The eucalyptol also has those respiratory support properties. Sabinin has been studied for its implications in soothing problematic skin conditions, relieving some of that arthritis, that pain in your joints, helps aid in digestion. It also has been shown to help with supporting your proper inflammation, among a bunch of other things. There's over 24 peer-reviewed studies on Ravintsara, and then also it takes about a pound of leaves from the Ravintsara tree to create just the small 5 milliliter bottle. And what I love about the production of Ravintsara is that they don't have to cut down the trees. They just strip the leaves and it leaves the plant intact. And so they can be harvesting those leaves all throughout the year, which creates a great opportunity for people in Madagascar to create an income for themselves and their family. And I also love that Ravintsara it helps you to feel expanding and invigorated. If you've used this essential oil, I would love for you to comment below and help everybody else out for how you've used Ravintsara, what you like about it. And now I'm going to get into my 9 top surprising uses for Ravintsara essential oil. So the first one is for cold respiratory and ear support. So if you're needing any kind of support with that, this is great. You can diffuse or inhale it in the cupped hands. If you put it into an inhaler, use either some fractionated coconut oil or maybe some lotion, and you can rub it, create maybe a little bit of a a salve for your chest or around the ears if you need support. Also, it's great for calming those anxious feelings and worry. One of the best ways to do that is through diffusing. It's the fastest way to impact your mood and emotions. If you are having challenges with sleep, I know some people have like sleep apnea and stuff. This is a great one to diffuse with Serenity Essential Oil for creating those calm, restful night sleeps. You can also apply it on the bottom of your feet if you don't have a diffuser. You can also use this for those sore joints, achy muscles, and also for lymphatic support. So just rubbing those on the area of concern. I love using deep blue, peppermint, wintergreen, and mixing that with the Ravintsara and rubbing it on different joints, achy parts of my body, and also Copaiba. So I have a video coming out. Make sure that you subscribe because you will want to learn about Copaiba versus CBD oil. Another way you can use this is topically for skin support. So you know those ugly toenails, or maybe you have like problematic skin areas, you can rub it on. The essential oils, the constituents in there are great for cleansing and purifying the skin, toenails, fingernails, and strengthening them as well. You can also diffuse this if you are needing more focus or if you have kind of a nervous fatigue. It's very uplifting to help combat that. You can use the inhalers, your diffuser, just put a couple drops in your hands and breathe it in, put it across your forehead, maybe the back of the neck, and also on your adrenal glands. If you don't know where those are at, go ahead and Google it, but rubbing those on the adrenal glands can really help support with fatigue. Like we said, bath time, this is a great one to put in the bath for yourself or for your kiddos. It's a great air refreshener and insect repellent. If you have need of freshening up the air, maybe there's some stinky garbage or cook some broccoli and you need that quick cleansing of the air, Ravintsara is amazing for that. Or if you have challenges with bugs, that you can diffuse it in certain areas and they will just flee the area without any of the chemical toxins and such. And then also for emotional balance. If you're having challenges, ups and downs, this is one that can help create balance. It's one that you can combine with Balance Blend. I have a video that I'll link down. You can click it up here and also link down in the description to learn a little bit more about balance. But those are some of my top 10 secret uses of Ravintsara Essential Oil. If you don't have oils, you can grab your starter kit and get going. Now there's some great deals going on. Click below, you'll see the different kits, and also I have a beginner's guide that you can download. Will you please do me a favor, give this video a thumbs up, like it, subscribe if you have learned something new. Also, you can click here for learning about emotional benefits of essential oils, or here, and then also my upcoming video coming up next is Serenity.